Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I've just got a little one for you today. I'm going to show you how to replace the pollen filter on a Peugeot 1007. So it's the one with the sliding door. So it's really simple, guys. If your windscreen is misting up really bad, this is the first thing I check, and I change these every service just because they're so cheap, and it just gives it good airflow into the car and everything. So yeah, definitely worth doing, especially on service, or if you've got any sort of demisting problems and you want to make sure you've got some fresh air coming into the car. First thing I do is change this. So what we're going to do is, in the engine bay, we're going to locate this panel. Now you'll see it's got a little tab on it just below the wipers, and we're just going to pull the tab and remove that panel. And then if you look down inside, you can just about see, I'll grab a torch here so you can see a bit better. You can see there is your pollen filter. Now it sits in a little plastic housing, so it's just a matter of lifting it up. I'll just see if I can position that so I can get my hand in there. So we'll just, there we go. So basically there's a tab just on this side, so you push it back with your thumb and pull it away, and there we go. So there's a tab on both sides. There you go, sorry. There's a tab on both sides, so just unclip the tabs or give it a pull, and then you can go ahead and pull out your pollen filter. Now make sure, obviously, your airflow, so obviously arrow down. It's a bit obvious really, because I guess the air going into the car, but always take a note. And then we'll take our new pollen filter. I've got to reach off the bench. So obviously airflow, same way. And then we'll go ahead and slide it into place, and then we can go ahead, once we got that in, clip it back, clip the cover into place, and that's it. It's just a matter of refitting this cover. Push there's three tabs that locate, and then it just hinges down into place. Make sure it snaps shut, and yeah, that's it guys. It's that simple, and I hope this video helps.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.